Wanna know how to create a console-based Hangman game in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, let's code on the Hangman. We pick a secret word and create an array to show underscores for only status. So right here you can see under character guest, here you can see new word in length. So we have also used for loops right here. So if it matches, we simply reveal it in the word. If not, they lose an attempt. With a few attempts left, the game continues until the word is fully guessed or the attempts run out. The teacher arrays. This teaches arrays, loops, string comparisons, and basic game logic. So you can just simply run this code to see how it works. I'm just going to run it for you. And here you can see, you can just simply guess a word right here. So you can just type in A. Okay. So it's J and V. So here you can see the word is Java. And that's it. This is how you play. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.